We are now on the campaign feature. As we started discussing different TikTok ad types, let's begin with the reach campaign. This is really effective when you need massive visibility fast. To do this, we're now on the campaign option from where we'll click Create Campaign. Click on the Create button. This will take you to a campaign page that looks similar to this. From here, you can choose your advertising objective. For now, let's click on Reach. This allows you to tell more people about your product, service, or company, and it really helps you reach a large number of people in a short amount of time. Then you can scroll further down and head to Settings. From here, you can adjust your campaign name. Let's name it Campaign 1 and allot your campaign budget. Let's go for at least 100,000. Inside your campaign, you can now change your ad group name. For now, let's put this at Ad 1 and then also choose your placement. Automatically, it would be in Feed. You can also add it into your search feed. You also have the option for user comment, allowing video download or disabling it, and similarly for video sharing. You also have the targeting feature where you can choose your specific audience, and then you have your brand safety and sustainability, which we have already chosen or you would have chosen in your brand safety hub. Lastly, you have your budget and schedule where you can confirm your daily budget and schedule it from a certain date, time zone, and so on and so forth. You also have this function of day partying where you can choose exactly when to run your ad. This is really helpful for time-sensitive ads. Lastly, in billing and optimization, there is something called frequency cap. Over here, you can control how many times each user sees your ad. You also have bid control, and lastly, you have advanced settings where you can confirm your billing event and delivery type. After this is done, you can click Continue and have your campaign up and running. This is it for Reach Campaign. For example, a beauty brand can use Reach campaigns to show a new serum 2 times per day to women aged 18 to 35 over a 7-day period, or a city tourism board can set day partying to show ads only between 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. to maximize awareness before weekend events. These ensure broad reach without audience failure. This is it for now. See you in the next lesson.